see Trinidad, I see Jamaica, I see Belize, I see Haiti.
I'm jumping around the toes. I will jump around. I end up in the bar.
Let's go.
Why we jump around?
Let's go.
We jump on some noise. You want to jump over?
Put up the flags.
Jump over.
Flags. I shouldn't play this song. We don't play big songs, we make songs big. So I want to see everybody with a flag, put your flags up. Everybody from a Caribbean island, start moving. Start moving. Ready, 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 ready. Balancing when we on the road. Watch me balance. Papa Keith and up to next. We gonna jump as high as we can. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump. 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 Point to your left. Point to your left. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is Gen X. We're getting ready to cross the stage. If you got your friend beside you, hug up your friend, hug up your friend. Hug up your friend. Come over there, go with me. Papa Key, Dirty Ducks. This is Gen X. Let's go, let's go.
not ready. Good. Not ready. Respect rich, man, the rich. Yeah. They been in it for everything. But you not ready. Don't like it. Respect my partners, all these good. You not ready? And respect I myself, super good.
Music from Virgin Islands.
Yo. Wow.
Music from Dominica.
Wow.
Abuya.
Girl, I love to feel it. Gripping.
Pulling.
Girl, I love to feel it.
Clapping.
Clapping. Girl, I love it. When you work your pussy muscle. Girl, I love it when you work your pussy muscle.
Hold on, Janex. I don't care what no other band says. Janex got the prettiest girls on the road. Janex have the most vibes on the road. We going to Jamaica Carnival in April. If you have at least one Jamaican friend, put up your hand. If you're from Jamaica, put up the flag. Jamaicans!
I've seen enough dance before, but I've never seen a dance like this. I've seen enough dance before.
Everybody go!
You wanna come top the list?
Let's go!
Right, real bad man, we paper pants. We take dancing to a higher rank. We spend pound and we spend franc. Shut up and move down and study and rank. Yeah, on the river, on the bank. Because the shoot because you put them no crap. When you're taking on the river, on the bank. Shut up and move down.
Everybody don't give flag.
Don't be flank, we are put down the flank. Like a wall, we put down the flank. You're cheap, pretty young, just
What's your name?
but the new dance, you know your people are good. You never run, Chan, you never run. You never
Very important. If you have a flag, put your flags in the air. Put your flags up.
You never dance out. Dancing at Jamaica, me good name. Feel the thing over here.
Represent for your island flags up.
And I got out to me. To make your friend get caught, signal the play. Signal the play, make we signal the play. Signal the play, make we signal the play. Signal the play, make we signal the play. To make your friend get caught, signal the play. Cool. From the know you in your own suit. Ready? I'll show them the parachute.
Parachute. Foot up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. Lift the knee, them Batman pull up. Lift the knee, them Batman pull up.
Who don't like it, don't pull up. Some things say Batman forward, Batman pull up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. Batman forward.
What's your name?
Pull up. Batman pull up. Batman pull up. Batman forward, Batman pull up.
Anybody like Vibes Cartel? Anybody represent?
Pull up.
Vibes Cartel!
This boy from 90s, Machiavelli make you know that I'm 90s. You will never buy any more money than this. You've rev out your life like 7 series. Right from up to the parties. Next time now, but we no flex guy. Bust it in a feast till it look like when it's Friday. This man the fear body fine with the next time. Come through your throat, yeah. Columbia necktie, 221st, put men in the nurse. What shoot up?
Anybody from New York, put up your New York hat.
Church the desert, even purge. If you run under your move, let me gonna search. We gon' dig a Brooklyn. Real bad man, they are Brooklyn.
This is your next. Get crazy.
We are gonna fuck up a party tonight. You just watch. Yeah.
Watch out.
Couple rubber band, couple stop then. Open on the tree.
This is your next.
J.O.P. We are gonna fuck up a party tonight. You just watch. Tonight we feel I spend some cash. All of the events, just watch. If a Givenchy shows the level, must match.
Let's go.
Jenna bounce. Do the dance. Jenna bounce. Major pump. In a bad mind. Vex show me the dancing worse. Me no want no respect from none of them.
Let's go.
Yeah, shut down. How you need it? Over the tickers when you remember.
Sure shot property. Never miss.
Anyway, one me and look for.
Everybody know.
Yeah, if you want, yeah. If you wanna leave with us, if you wanna smoke somewhere, no care who from Zara.
Everybody, let's go.
Cool ravers, man shoulder for your friend. Then shoulder for your friend. Cool ravers, a bar with the young, the new dancing.
Under your fling.
Then shoulder for your friend. Then shoulder for your friend. What's your word to a friend? Talk with your bad man. Man shoulder for your friend. In a mid-skin,
Everybody start drift. Start drift, stop. I'll make me fuck up in ya. Young Joe. Yo, Young Joe. I like this how we try the show. Patrick, we ready? Watch out. I'll make me fuck up in ya.
No more. Keep up. Yeah. Stop. Singer. Yeah. Bad man. Killer. Some move. Some rock. Some liquor. Move. Do. Quick. Keep up. Yeah.
Everybody.
We got make a dance. Look at time. You're looking a picture.
Take this picture now. I'll make me fuck up in ya. They said no dance on in this water. So make me jump.
Side chopper. Head chopper. 16 chopper.
Madness. Everybody to the top. Everybody to the top now.
Side chopper. Head chopper. 16 chopper. Waka. Put on the note again. Big hammer. Head house packer. Boy fish shopper. Like some afraid that then the commander come in. The case stronger. We in and the one. What's off again like jagger.
Stop jumping, boy. Everybody has sing. Everybody sing. Everybody to the action.
Tell her pussy we no gon' dip that. Like Chinese wise on the clip that. Chop it up and make a fall from your disc tag. You know one on a discard, man a big dog. I saw you disappear as if I never did bang. Me no walk up a kilo, me no just a sing song. With the people your mother tell you keep.
Everybody go.
See tech full of man like Islam. And if you make a come, me know the enemy, them a play. And me know the dance happy for me.
If you have a flag, put your flags up.
Me can we bad than we mean bloody crime scene calamity.
If you know your island is the best island from the Caribbean, put your flags up.
No gravity.
Everybody sing the water. Sing it, sing it, sing, sing.
Tell her pussy we. Really people are better. So should I keep in your bed cause the Talibans them a make quack. We no laugh, we no take that. Badness how we end up. We no show people fear nothing a better. The Talibans like them serious.
Next we getting ready to cross the stage. I gotta go back in absolutely 2 more songs. Alright? We getting ready to cross the stage. But I cannot play dancehall and don't play the baddest dancehall for this summer. Now we play the bad song from Jamaica.
What you did?
The bad song from Jamaica. The bad song.
What you did?
Everybody know how we are live now.
Big love. Live love. Put your pick in. What you did? Put it up. What you did?
Yo, Janet.
From me, I jump in island. The money I can't become an out of the comments. I'm a son in the heart. What you did? What you did?
Stop it. I just want to say something. A lot of people making a big deal about reggae playing on the road. Let me tell you one thing. We are one family. We are one family. So anybody want to record it and talk about Gen X? We are one family. Alright? Now Gen X, let's go.
Dance fucking fool. I do what I do.
And every girl I get wild out tonight. Party in my up tonight. If she suck, give me a fine out tonight. I even know that I wild out tonight. Out the blue light, they try out the vices. All I'm saying is sign out tonight. Kiki, reason, fly, go to Dubai. Let girl we do.
Stop the music, stop the music, stop the music. Please and thank you, yes? The officials have asked us to turn on the music so we can get everybody in the right place. Now listen, what you need. Right now, we need every single Gen X masquerader on the right-hand side. We're gonna allow every single one of the Gen X trucks to pass through first. And at this point, ladies and gents,